In front of me is Motorola Moto G56 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then select OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. And when you're done, go into Tab menu. Now you need to click on this pen at the bottom right corner of this shortcut menu. Scroll all the way down and look for a new Caffeine one. When you find it, hold it, drag it to your currently used ones, place it wherever you want to and let go. Then go back and click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is blue. That means that infinite sleep time is on. If you want to turn it off, click on the same shortcut until it's black. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!